Okay, fine. Okay, team. Good morning, everyone. So let's start the session, team. So in this session, today we are going to discuss about the tool, which is the supporting tool called Tableau. So here, before dive into this session, should know like who is a business analyst and what are the responsibilities of business analyst, how this Tableau tool is related to business analyst works and responsibilities. Okay. So generally, a business analyst, a person who works in the IT industry and acts as the interface between the client team and technical team, right? So here, what are the prime responsibilities of business analyst? Like the client interaction will be there to gather the requirements from the client by applying the illustration techniques, and we do like we will. And the next one is requirement ownership and then process reengineering. So these are the prime responsibilities of business analyst. So as a business analyst, the core responsibilities while doing or while involving in the project will be the uh, will will be communicating with the client or stakeholders who are involved in the project, right? To gather the requirements, and whatever the requirement that we had gathered from the client, we will make them into document, right? We will prepare the documents. I will and we will work on those documents for the project implementation. And similarly, we do have the supporting responsibilities. So by using few business intelligence tools, okay, by using few business intelligence tools, we are going to prepare reports regarding the performance or work done in the organization. Okay, so that will comes under like a reports generation. And by considering the reports, okay, by considering those reports, whatever we had generated using those business intelligence tools, as a business analyst, we have to provide the assistance to the team, like currently where we are, like how the work processes are, what is the work progress, okay, and we will assisting to the team, okay. So these are the like core and supporting responsibilities of business analyst. And what is business intelligence? Okay, what is business intelligence? Before dive into this business intelligence, uh, let you know, like I will explain the scenario, okay, so that you can easily understand or like what a business intelligence is. So, for instance, you can consider I have owned and running a business which is a retail store. Okay, so here I'm maintaining one retail store. I'm successfully running that business. So here I'm not maintaining. Okay, I'm not maintaining any kind of data sets. Okay, any kind of applications to save customer data. Now I need to understand what products are selling more or which products have more demand in the market, and what are the other things or other products need for customer to ensure the customer satisfaction and also to enhance my businesses. Okay. So here I can't go through all the data sets to make a note for the products which have high demand, like low demand or moderate demand or high demand. So here I need a solution which helps my businesses, right? I need a solution which helps my businesses. And so in the current market, okay, in the current market, there are some business, some tools which are like business intelligence tools to make accurate insights, right? So for this, so what is business intelligence? Okay. So what is business intelligence actually? So business intelligence refers to the technologies. Okay, business intelligence refers to the technologies or the strategies. Okay, so that analyzes the data to provide actionable insights for businesses decision making. Okay, so here basically these business intelligence are like any, you can consider like a technology or any approach as a strategy, so which will be useful to analyze the data, okay, whatever the data that we have regarding the organization or any businesses or whatever it will be. So to analyze the data and to provide the like insights, okay, to provide the accurate information regarding the data, and based on that we can make the decision which will be helpful for our businesses. So, and here we're coming to benefits of the business intelligence tools. So, like we can ensure the data quality and the data visualization as well, and also we can get the accurate reporting from the data. Okay, and we can make better business insights by using these business intelligence tools, and also we can ensure the customer satisfaction as well. Mm. And in the market, we do have different business intelligence tools. So some of them are like a Tableau, Power BI, and SAP Business Objects, and ClickView, Oracle, Zoho. Like many tools are there in the market. Okay, so in this session, here you are going to learn the tool. So which is one of the business intelligence tool, namely Tableau. Okay, so here, what is Tableau? So what is Tableau? Tableau is a tool or application which was developed by the three persons, namely Chabot, Anharan, and Stolte. Okay, so these three persons were developed the Tableau application or tool in the year 2003 at Stanford University. Okay, and this tool is currently maintained by the Salesforce. Okay, the Salesforce organization acquired this Tableau tool in the year 2019. Okay. Tableau, it is a powerful data visualization tool. Okay, Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool, which will be used to simplify the raw data. Okay, which will be used to simplify the raw data into understandable visual formats. So it will make the raw data into like visual formats, like so that like any stakeholder in the organization can easily able to understand, like so in the form of like charts or graphs or in the dashboards or reports. Okay, so this Tableau tool helps users to analyze the data quickly and make the better data driven decisions. So, and moreover, this Tableau tool is a smooth and efficient process, and it was recognized as one of the best business intelligence tool because of its powerful and dependable features in the application. And also it can support and connect to a wide variety of the data resources. Okay, so we can get the data from like many platforms. Okay, like cloud server or any Excel, like any live data, like from browsers also we can get the data. Okay, based on that we can prepare the dashboards or reports. Okay, and here Tableau helps in simplifying data, which already discussed. Okay, and next, so what are the best features of the Tableau? So while using Tableau tool, okay, while using Tableau tool, we do have the like main features in the Tableau. So one of them are data blending. Okay, so data blending is a method of combining data from multiple resources. Means here, just give me a moment. Yeah, Alumuddin, please turn off your camera. Okay, please turn off your camera. Yeah, okay, team. So here data blending. So as we discussed, we do have the multiple resources. Okay, where we can get the data and we can prepare the designs or sorry, we can prepare the reports and dashboards. Okay, so that like we can easily understand like about the data. Okay, so and next one is real time analysis. So for example, you can consider like any application or any browser. Okay, anything. So here real time analysis means so wherever the data is getting changed like time to time. Okay, for example, you can consider any bank or any IRCTC application, anything. So the data is getting changed up time to time, right? So in that like the updating of data can also we can track, okay, through dashboards or reports whatever we are going to create using the Tableau tools. Okay, so that's the example of the real time analysis. Okay, we can create the reports and dashboards for the real time. Okay, so wherever the data is getting changed time to time. Okay, so we can track it using these reports and dashboards with the help of Tableau application. Okay, and next thing is collaboration of data. So collaboration of data is nothing but we can generate the or we can create the dashboards and reports by using Tableau tool, and then we can share. Okay, we can share those reports and dashboards whatever we had created. Okay, we can share those reports over the internet. Okay, okay, in the servers. Okay, so that like other stakeholders or any other users of Tableau can able to access it and can able to understand regarding the data. Okay, so these are the like best features whenever we compare to the other business intelligence tools in Tableau. Okay, and next Tableau tool can be classified into two sections. Like means it Tableau products. Like we do have the different Tableau products. So these tools were categorized into two sections. So one is developer tools and one is sharing tools. Developer tools nothing but so by using tools by using applications like wherever we can generate or we can create the reports or dashboards. Okay, or charts or reports, visualizations, whatever it may be, wherever we can generate or wherever we can develop. So those tools comes under developer tools. Okay, those tools comes under developer tools like Tableau desktop and Tableau public. So these are the developing tools or developer tools of Tableau product. Okay, and wherever we can share our reports and dashboards over the internet. Okay, so those sharing tools will be like Tableau online, Tableau server, and Tableau reader. Okay, so these are the tools we can use to share our dashboards and reports. Okay, so that like as we discussed it, like another stakeholders also can able to access it. Okay, and they can understand about the data or okay, and Tableau product suite. So so we are discussing that Tableau, desktop, public, server, and these all are the products of the Tableau. Okay, so these are all the comes under Tableau product suite. So Here, let's discuss it in detail. Okay. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. I have shared the Word document. So here you can see we do have the different products in the Tableau suite. Okay, we do have the different products in the Tableau suite. So one is Tableau Public, and Tableau Desktop, Tableau Prep, okay, and Tableau Online Server, Tableau Server, Tableau Public Server, and Tableau Reader. Okay, these are the products which we have in Tableau suite. Okay, so each and every tool has its own benefits and own pros and cons. So here, which tool, like, so based on the situation, like what kind of tool that we can use, okay, that is categorized into here. So here you can see data. Data means data resources, like where we can get the data and analysis. Do we have any analysis feature for it? Okay, to analyze the data, to can filter the data. Okay. So in similarly in the Power BI, you can consider like extract, transform, load is there. So in Power BI, what we do transforming means we can filter the data, we can clean up the data, right? So that we do have in this Tableau, okay, in this Tableau tool as well. And visualization. So where we can generate the reports and dashboards, that comes on the visualization part. And sharing means, like where we can share our dashboards and reports, whatever we had created using these visualization tools. And view means like, so we only providing the read only access to the users, okay, so that they can't able to modify it. Okay, so just they can view for reference purpose, for understanding purpose, that's it. Okay, so while coming to paid version, okay, while coming to paid version, so where we can get the data. Obviously, if we use any paid version or subscription based tools, we do have the more features, right? More functionalities while comparing to the free versions. So similarly in here also for Tableau paid version tools, so we can get the data from live data. Okay, we can get the data which is a live data, means the data which is getting updated time to time. Okay, so that we call it as live data, and directly from the databases we can collect the data. Okay, and we do have the different databases like MS SQL Server and MySQL and Oracle, PostgreSQL. So these are the few examples of databases where we can get the live data from. Okay, and the cloud data, directly from the cloud also we can get the data. Okay, and like cloud means like AWS, you can like, and Google BigQuery, Salesforce, Amazon Redshift. These are the cloud data, okay, that we can get. And whatever the data we had gathered, okay, whatever the data we had received, so on that data, real-time data, can we filter or not? Okay, so it is possible in the paid version tools. So we use the tool, okay, Tableau Prep. Okay, so this Tableau Prep will be used to filter the data. Okay, we can clean up the data. We do have like more options to clean up the data. Actually, okay, what we want. Okay, we can do in Tableau Prep and Tableau Desktop. This is a Tableau Desktop is a paid version of Tableau products. Okay, so here by using Tableau Desktop, we can create. Okay, we can create the dashboards and reports. We can create the charts, graphs. Okay, so for paid version, we do have the Tableau Desktop. Okay, and for paid versions, like the sharing tools will be the Tableau Online Server and Tableau Server. Okay, so both tools are available for paid versions, but even though the cost may be different for subscription. So Tableau Online Server, which in the initial cost will be high, and it also provide the high security features. And whereas Tableau Server, initial the cost will be very low while comparing to the Tableau Online Server. and it also definitely provides the like low security features. Okay, and we Tableau reader. Okay, Tableau reader will be used to provide the read-only access to the stakeholders or any other users. Okay, whoever want to know about the progress or about the data. Okay, so that they can only read the data, like they can visualize the dashboards. Okay, they can only understand the reports and dashboards whatever we had shared with them. Okay, so they can't able to modify the reports and dashboards. Okay, only we are providing read only access to them. So while coming to free versions, okay, so in free versions, we can't able to get the live data. Okay, we can't able to get the live data. So me here we can only perform, or we can only create the dashboards or reports only on in-memory data. In-memory data means like which is already saved. Okay, which is already saved, which is not getting updated time to time. Okay, so that's what it means. And local files, so we can get the data from the local files like ms excel, csv means comma separated value file, and json, javascript object notation files, and any other pdfs and any other text files. Okay, these are the examples of local files, so where we can get the data and we can create the dashboards and reports. Okay, and for filterization, for analysis part, we don't have any kind of tools. So whatever the data that we have in local files, on that directly we can able to create the reports and dashboards. Okay, and the tool for a free version, if you want to practice, or if you want to do the trial, so we do have the Tableau public tool, which is a public edition. Okay, so that we can easily understand the interfaces about the Tableau, and you can know what Tableau, how it will works. Okay, and we can share, even though if it is a free version, we can share our dashboards and reports. Okay, through the tool, namely Tableau public server. Okay, so we can use this tool to share our reports and dashboards. Okay, so here the important thing is, while you are using the Tableau public edition. Okay, while you are using the Tableau public edition, please don't use your personal data or any organizational data. Okay, so why? Because if you share those reports and dashboards, the data will get shared over the internet, right? So other users of Tableau can access it. Okay, can access that reports and dashboards. So kindly don't use your personal or any organizational or sensitive information while practicing using the Tableau public editions. Okay, and here we can use the Tableau reader as well. As you know, like it only provides the read only access, right? Okay, so till now, I hope everything is clear, right? Please let me know through the chat box if you have any doubts. Team, any doubts? Please let me know through the chat box. Okay, okay. No, no need to avoid the free versions. Like for just practice purpose only, you can use the this free editions, like public editions. Okay. So while you are using the public editions, my suggestion is to don't use any organization or personal data. Okay. Tableau is what is the difference between Tableau and Power BI? So, Tableau is a traditional tool, okay, which we are like many organizations are using from long years ago. And Power BI mainly this more advanced tool, okay, means like Microsoft is maintaining the tool, right? Like we do have the more features like which will be like more user friendly. And even though we do have more benefits while comparing to the Power BI, okay, in Tableau we do have the more benefits. So in the end of the session, I will share it with you. Okay, I will share it these documents for you. Okay. Yes, yes. For just for practice only, you can use the free versions. Okay. So well, so you can ask doubt like, we do have the Excel, right? What is the need of learning Tableau? So every tool has its own positivities and negativities, right? So if we compare Excel and Tableau. Okay, so Excel is known like Excel has more popularity. Everyone knows the Excel tool and have the basic idea like how to use the tool, right? So and it will be low cost. Like anyone can access with these. And we do have the editable formulas. We can like we do have the like it is like a spreadsheet, right? We can also perform uh, some activities like applying the formulas, right? And we can also edit the data. Okay, we can also edit the data in the spreadsheets, and it is easily compatible with the other Microsoft products. So Excel is also one of the Microsoft product only, right? So that it is compatible with the other Microsoft products only. Okay, and whereas a negative, just a moment. So whereas in Excel, the coming to negativities, so there will be no reporting tool. Means we can't share. Okay, we can't share our reports and charts or visualizations, whatever we created using that Excel spreadsheet. And it is not compatible with the other non-Microsoft products. You know that very well. And it can't handle the like complex data designs, right? It can we can't handle that much data while using the Excel. And it needs like time to time maintenance. Means like, so we need to update the data, okay, which is getting changed. Okay, we need to update each and everything by checking. It will be like a manual process, each and everything. So while coming to Tableau, so it provides a central reporting portal. Means like all the Tableau users can able to share their reports and data over the internet. So that like if we directly share the link, so that the another stakeholder or another user can directly access it and they can understand about the visualizations or reports, and which will increases the interactiveness as well. Okay, and also we can generate the interactive dashboards or reports using Tableau tool. Okay, and the interface is also very good so that like any kind of users, even though non-technical users, can also easily understand and can able to use the tool. And we can also generate the modern visualizations. Means we can combine the two visualizations into one, means a single visualization. Okay, and here the Tableau tool. Okay, Tableau, the initially the cost will be high if you want to get high security features and if you want to get the high like more functionalities. Okay, so even though we need to share to the so whatever the reports are generated that we have created or generated, so if we want to share it to the only the authenticate people or authorized people, so we should take the subscription for it, right? So it will cost, okay, for servers also, we need to pay amount for it for the security purpose only. If you want to get more security purpose, then we can. And we can't able to edit the data in the cells, like how we can edit the data in the Excel, so that we can't do in the Tableau. Okay. And it takes some time to prepare the data to load the data while importing, like that. Okay. So those are the disadvantages of Tableau. That's it. Okay. And why Tableau? What is the need of using this Tableau tool? So here, as we discussed, we can generate the like interactive and informative dashboards and reports by using the Tableau. Okay. So it also supports the numerous data resources. As we discussed, we do have the number of data resources that we can get. Okay. And connectivity with live data and memory in memory data. As we discussed, live data means like from the live servers we can connect to that servers, and the data whatever the data will get changing time to time. So based on that also the reports also will get changed. Okay. The that we already discussed, that we called as the real-time analysis, right? So that is one of the best features while using the Tableau application. And in memory data means local files. Okay. Local file like Excel or anything like CSV file, JSON, like that. Okay. And it provides a great security. Means if you do have the paid versions of a Tableau, then it provides the great security for our data and easy collaboration and sharing. Means like collaboration in the sense, it ensures all the Tableau users can get the or can able to select the data and can able to share the reports or dashboards or the internet or the servers. Okay. And it also provides a mobile version as well, mobile application also there. And availability of the maps means like if we have any geographical data, okay, for example any location wise, any city wise or country wise, like that. So for that purpose also we do here a Tableau provides the like maps graphs also, map kind of graphs also. Okay. So that we can have the like a geographical visualization as well. Okay. And let's see like how to install the Tableau tool in the systems. Okay. Let me share my screen. Search in the search bar like Tableau public discover or Tableau public download. So here we'll get the link. So here you can see discover Tableau public. Okay. So just click on it, and here you can see here you can also create the account. So here to install the tool in your system, like account is not needed. So whenever you want to share your visualizations or whenever you want to access your reports and dashboards remotely, so then you need to have the account for it. Okay. So that you can access it at anywhere after sharing into the public server only. Okay. After sharing into public server only, if you want to share your reports and dashboards into server, you need to have the account. Okay. So that you can access those visualizations or reports at any time, anywhere. Okay. And how to install the tool, here you can see create option is there. So there is a drop down, just click on it, then you can see the two options like download Tableau desktop public edition. It is a public edition. Okay. So just click on it. Okay. Then one file will get downloaded. Okay. So if you click on that, okay, if you click on that downloaded file, it will navigate to the file manager, right? It will directly navigate to the file manager. Okay. so that whenever you double click on that file, okay, it will get installed in your system so that you can access it. Okay, so that's how you can install and you can access the tool. So that's all, team. Okay, so let's discuss like how to access the tool, how to get the data. So how to install this tool, will come up again. So go to the like any browser like a Microsoft Edge or any Chrome or Brave. Okay, just type in the search bar like Tableau desktop, Tableau public discover. Okay, Tableau public discover or Tableau public download. So here you will get the link. Okay, like here you can see discover Tableau public, discover Tableau public. Okay, just click on link. Okay, just click on this link. Now you will navigate to the another page. Okay, so here you can see create option. So one is a create option, then you can see two options like download public edition, right? So this is how you can download. Okay, means if you click on for example, let me download it. Okay, once click on this, okay, so instantly here it will ask you to like your name like that. Okay, me email and for what purpose you are installing this tool. Okay, just click on download the app. Okay, once you click on this, okay, so here it will here the data is mandatory. Okay, so here this data is mandatory. For example, let me give any name. So email will be example I'm giving like this. Okay, so once you click on the download the app, so the file will get downloaded. Okay, so here you can see. So this is how like one file will get downloaded. Okay, so you need to, so here you can check. Okay, for Windows or okay, so here it is downloading. Okay, so if it is getting downloaded, okay, once the download is completed, okay, so here that you can check in your downloads. Okay, so once the file completely downloaded, just go to the file manager and select the downloads, so you can see that file in recently. Okay, and just double click on it. Okay, double click on it, then it will get installed. Okay, is it clear like how to install the tool? Here I paused this. Okay, I paused this download, so that's why it's showing like that. Okay, already the tool is there in my system. Okay, that's why I pausing this. Is it clear like how to install the tool? Yeah, you can use the trial version. So here let me I will provide this link to you in the chat box. Okay, I have shared the link. Okay, so you can just save the link and pay. You can download it. Okay, after the session get ends. How everything is clear till now, right? how to install the tool. So just type as a Tableau publics discover in the search bar, and then if you go down, then you can see discover Tableau public. Okay, discover Tableau public. So once you click on this discover Tableau public, okay, then you can see here create option. So if you click on the drop down, you can see download the desktop public edition. Click on that. Okay, so here you can see you need to fill these all these details. Okay, all these details, and click on download the app. Okay, so then it will provide you a prompt like you want to install in the Windows or Mac like that, or Linux. Okay, so just click on Windows option. Okay, click on Windows option, then instantly one file will get uh, starts downloading. Okay, so once the downloading of that file is completed, okay, just go to the your download file manager, and go to the downloads path, and here you can see this is not yet downloaded, right? So that's why it is showing incomplete file. Okay, so once it is getting downloaded, just double click on it. Okay, and then the tool will get installed in your system so that you can access from that. Okay. Yes, yes, I will show you it, yeah. I hope till now everything is clear, right? So let's run the tool. Okay. Once the Tableau tool gets installed in your system, so just type in the search bar like Tableau. Okay. So that here you can see I'm clicking on open. Okay. So this is the interface how it will opens. Okay. So here you can see these are the previous reports that have created. Okay. So if you observe in the left side, you can see connect option, right? So here you can see to a file or to a server. Okay. So for what you want to connect. So these are the local files. As we discussed, local files means in-memory data, right? And these are the servers. Okay, like a live data. But we can't able to access it, even though if you want to click on it, then it will ask for a subscription. Okay. So here just you should here we are going to create the dashboards and reports by using this in-memory data only, like so as you know, like MS Excel. Okay, Microsoft Excel file. Okay, so in the right side you can observe so here I'm going to take the one sample data. Okay, sample data, how to get the sample data and where we can get. Okay, where we can get our sample data. Here you can see like explore sample data sets, right? Explore sample data sets. Okay, so click on it, explore sample data set. So here you can see sample data, right? So previous link only, like so if you search on it, okay, whatever we searched just now, okay, Tableau public discover. So this is the link we had clicked earlier, right? So here, these are the so beside to that same option only, you can see the learn option. So here you can get the sample data, right? So this is also you can get the sample data, or else if you want to directly click on this export sample data set, then directly automatically it will navigates to that page. Okay, so that you can get this sample data. So here you have a number of sample data sets which was provided by the Tableau itself. Okay, so where you can get the sample data. Okay, so here you have the data sets which are related to businesses and entertainment and any sports related data. Okay, any public data, education related data. So whatever you want, okay, you can download it and you can use it for a practice purpose. Okay, so here I'm just considering the first one, okay, like which is related to a business. So in the beginning we discussed like a retail store I have owned and running the successful business retail store, right? So here that's why I'm taking this superstore sales, which is related to same scenario what I explained in the beginning. Okay, so just click on data set, click on data set. Okay, so now it will get here you can see the view preview of that excel data. Okay, so here just click on download file. File is downloaded. Okay, file is file is downloaded. So here I want to open this file. Just open this file. So here you can see so this is the data that I had downloaded. Okay, so here we have a number of records. Okay, this is also another large data where we have around 10,000 rows, I think. So here you can see these are the columns. Okay, row ID, order ID, right? Order date. These are the columns, right? So it is related to the like one of the retail store or any business superstore, right? For that we do have like we have row IDs and order IDs, order dates, shipping date, customer ID, customer name, and segment and which country it is in and state. Well, like we do have the like uh, this much of data. Okay, so here why I'm selecting this data means we do have like different data types. Okay, we do have the numeric data type and alphanumeric means combination of alphabets as well as the number data, and date data type, right? Only the text we have, and geographical country, city, state. These are the geographical data type. Okay, and the regions. Okay, in different regions we do have, and a numeric data type and decimal data type as well, right? Means decimal point. So like how to use that, how to understand the data. Okay, each and everything we are going to discuss here. Okay, so here this is the one of the database. Okay, this is the one database. So in this database, we do have the three tables. One is orders table, and one is returns table, and one is people table. So these are the three different tables which are internally connected with each other in the database itself. Okay. So that database we have like superstore sales. Okay. So let's import this Excel file. Okay. Let's import this Excel file into Tableau. Here you can see connect. Here I'm clicking on to a file, Microsoft Excel. Just click on it and it will navigate to the file manager. So this is the file I had downloaded just now, right? So sample superstore Excel. So click on open. So then data is getting loaded. Here you can see this is the Canva, okay, like where we can select what kind of data that we need. Okay, and it also provides you the preview of the data or whatever we are going to select. So in the left side, if you observe sheets, different sheets we have like orders, people's, returns. These are the three different tables. Okay, in the database. The database name is sample superstore. Okay, so just select it. Okay, just select any table or any sheet from that sheets and just drag and drop into the right side. Okay, this is the Canva. So here where we can have the data model. Okay, so if you observe over here, one table is selected. Which table it is? Orders table. So in this orders table, so in the left part you can see type fields. These are the fields. Fields means columns. You can consider it as a column. Okay. Type. What type of data it has? Okay. In the particular field, what kind of data is there? So in the row ID is the first column, right? So here we do have the numeric data, means how it is representing. By default, it is showing hash symbol, right? So Tableau itself recognizes what data it is. Okay, according to the data type, uh, it will provide you one symbol. Okay, so which we can easily recognize what kind of data is there in that particular field. Okay, and if you observe order ID, we have alphanumeric like ABC, right? And in order date, we have orders, right? We have orders. Here you can see the calendar symbol, which will provide the date, right? And here for numeric data has symbol. For characters and alphanumeric character, we do have the ABC, right? So this is how we do have. Okay, and similarly, here you can see like for geographical location, for geographical data, we do have the globe icon, right? Globe icon. City for country or state, we do have the globe icon, and remaining are same. Okay, here you can check like this. Okay, what kind of data is there in that particular field. So here, if you observe here, 21 fields in that particular orders table, how many fields and rows data we have? 21 fields means row ID, order ID, order ID. These are the fields, means columns. Okay, and how many rows we have? 9,994 rows, approximately 10,000 rows we have, right? So here, how many rows has selected? Only 100 rows has selected. If you observe here, if I go down, like I can see only the 100, right? Only 100 records has been selected. So if I change the value over here, for example, if I change it to into the 500, so click on here arrow icon. So now the filter get applied. So if you go down, then you can see 500 record has been selected, right? So this is how you can select how much data that you want in specifically. Okay, so specifically like how many records that you want to, that you wish to have while creating the reports and dashboards. Okay, so this is how you can select. So even though if you want to combine the data, if you want to combine the data from different tables, as we discussed earlier in the PPT, data blending is there, right? A data blending, and right. So that's like how we can make let's see. So here I'm selecting the another table. Okay, another spreadsheet which is a people. Okay, so here you can see, if you observe here, so orders, this is the table name, and this is the people, this is also one of the table name. So here the relationship has been created, like already relationship has there. So person and region is the common table. Okay, region is a common table in the both the tables, right? Yeah, you yes, Shashikant, you can keep more records as well. Okay, you can take more records. Like just I'm shown you sample purpose only. Okay. Yes, you can. Like we have like 21 fields, right? According to that data set, it automatically defining that. Okay, it automatically provides it. So based on the data set, okay, the data set whatever I have taken, the data that we have, right? On the data, you are going to perform the actions. Okay, we are going to combine the data like that. Okay. So if you take orders table and people table, what is the common table between them? Region table, like west, east, central, south. Like this is the common table between like common field in both the tables, in both the sheets, like spreadsheets. Okay, so that's why it's showing like that. So even though not only two tables, we can add the more tables as well. Okay, so this is how the connection will be represented. Okay, so if you want to remove the relationship, just select and drag into this empty space. Okay, so the relationship will get deleted. So if you want to apply more filters on it, just you can see here connection is there, right? Just double click on it. For example, orders table, double click on it. So just I'm dragging and dropping it over here. So here you can see joins. These are the joins, means data blending. Okay, we can we can select the data from both the tables, either common data or else non-common data. Okay, you can select like that. Okay, so here if you observe here, if I click on this join symbol, you can see inner join, left join, right join, full outer join. Inner join means, okay, even though I will show you the difference between how data is getting changing. Okay, time pattern. So inner join means only the common data from the both tables will get selected. Okay, only the common data from the both tables will get selected whenever we choose inner join. If you select a left join, click on it. So here you can see data is getting changed, right? Means the common data between the both tables as well as the remaining data from the left table. What is the left table? Orders table is the left one, right? And here people one is the, this is the right table, right? Which is both are the different sheets, right? So here if we select left join, the data will be get selected, which is a common from both the tables as well as the remaining data from the left table, which is orders table. And if you select the right join, so here it is just vice versa to left join, means common data from the both tables and the remaining data from right table. And if you select full outer join, all the data, okay, means common data as well as the remaining data from both tables will get selected. Okay, whenever I'm clicking on a particular join, okay, so the data is getting updated if you're observing or not. Okay, so this is how we can select. Okay, so this is how we can select the data, we can apply the filters on it. Okay, so for now as of now here I'm not going to combine all the data. Here I'm just selecting the only simple data from the database. I'm going to take only the one table, which is the orders table. Okay, so here you can apply like more 1,000 rows if you want to select it, right? So for example, if I show here 1,000 rows has been selected. So based on the filter, you can select more. Okay, based on the filter, you can select it. Okay, so how much records that you want, you can select it by your own. Okay, this is how you can map the data. Okay, this is how you can select the specific data, whatever you want. Okay, so once you are done with that, okay, once you are done with that, here you can just go to the sheet in the top. Sorry, bottom left corner you can see sheet, right? Go to worksheet, right? So just click on sheet over here, click on it. So then you can see another interface got opened, right? So if you observe in the left side, you can see data pane, pane. Okay, so where you can have the all the fields. Okay, all the fields like category, city, country, customer ID, row ID. These are the fields or columns in the table, right? Whatever you are selected from that orders table. Okay, are you getting me? From that orders table. Okay, these are the fields that we have. And here the main thing is, here if you observe here, for few columns it is showing as a like in blue color, and if you and few columns it is showing like a like green color, right? So what does it means? So blue color, here if you observe, these are the dimensions. Okay, we call it as dimensions, and these are the measures. So for each and every visualization, or for each and every chart or report, whatever you want to create, so it is necessary. Okay, one dimension, at least one dimension, or at least one measure will be necessary. Okay, so then only we can create the particular graph or particular visualization. Okay, so that we can understand easily. Okay, so by default, Tableau by default, it has been categorized them, okay, into measures and dimensions. Even though if you want to change it to that, okay, you can change. Okay, I'm undoing this action. Okay, even though you can just drag and drop into the another category. So here you can say measure. So measures means like numeric data. Okay, measures means numeric data. The how that's how like Tableau itself categorized them into different sections. Okay, dimensions means like alphabetic data. Okay, alphabetic data. Okay, so that's how. Also here you can raise one doubt. Row ID. Row ID is also one of the numeric data only, right? Then how it came to this dimensions? So with row IDs, we in generally with row IDs, like we don't visualize anything, right? So that's the purpose. Mm, you can ignore like that. Okay. So even though if you want to move it to the measures, you can. Okay. So if not, then it will be like this, same as it is how it was there. And so while coming to top here, you can see a data, new data resource. If you want to connect to the another file, you can. Okay, so this is how we can also connect to the another one. And here you can see, if you observe here, new worksheet, new dashboard, and new story. These are the like three interfaces where we can create dashboards and reports, and for presentation purpose as well. Okay, and here remaining features I will explain while creating the dashboards and reports. So here you can change the size of the interface, like fit width or fit height, like entire view. You can change this. Okay. And if you observe here, pages, filters, like whatever, wherever the filters are there. So whatever that we need, whatever we need to apply on the particular on the filters. Okay. So that we can do over here. And marks means like we can ensure the quality of the or interactiveness of the visualization or report. And we can also add colors, and we can change the customize the sizes of the bars, or like whatever it may be. Okay, and we can also generate the informative dashboards or reports. Okay, by applying these marks. And this can this empty space, this we call it as a canva or workspace, where we can use the space to visualize this. And okay, to visualize the report or regarding the data. And remember one thing, per sheet. Okay, per each and every sheet we can only represent one visualization. Okay, you can only represent one visualization at a time. So here I'm talking about the dashboard, report, and visualization, right? So what is dashboard? Okay, dashboard means collection of multiple visualizations. Dashboard means collection of multiple visualizations which will be displayed in one place. Okay, which will be displayed at one location to provide the overview of the data insights. To provide the overview of the data insights means in the dashboard we can add n number of reports. Okay, whereas in report you can consider it is as a report, whatever you are saying. So this sheet one is there, right? This is one report. So we can create only one visualization per sheet. Means in report only we can visualize one chart or one graph, that's it. Whereas in dashboard we can represent n number of dashboard n number of charts or graphs. Okay, I hope you clear with the difference between dashboard and report. Okay, so in simple manner, report is only one visualization, only one graph or chart. Okay, whereas in dashboard, multiple visualizations or multiple reports. Okay, So here you can see in the right side, you can see show me option, right? This option. So these are the report and these are the visualizations that we have. So the main best advantage while using this Tableau tool means if you select any data or any field from the data set, it automatically recommends you to select the particular visualization which will be suitable for the data. Okay, for example, if I select the state, okay, so then see, it is a geographical data, right? See, like availability of the maps. This we discussed in the PPT, right? Availability of the map. So here you can see maps. So this is related to geographical data, right? So that's why it is recommending us. For example, if I select any discount, so then you can see bar chart. Okay, any numeric data. And if you select a region, like any whatever it may be, like based on the data, whatever you are selecting, so it automatically recommends you to which will be best suitable for that data. Okay, so for each and every data, if you keep cursor on, for example, I'm keep cursor on particular visualization. So that is for pie chart. Okay, for pie chart, it needs at least one dimension or at least one measure. Okay, okay, that's how it is recommending what kind of data you need to select for if you want to create that. Okay. Yes, yes, I will select. Okay. So I will explain each and everything one by one. Okay. So I hope you're clear with the interface, like where what are the options are there, like how to create it. Okay. So let's create one sample. Okay, just create one sample one. Okay. So for example, if I want to know the sum of the sales, okay, already we discussed this is this data is related to super like retail store or a superstore, right? So here we do have the like concept generally with profits, discounts, and product names, IDs, sales, quantity, each and everything. So similar to that only, like here I want to know the sum of the sales for each subcategory, for each product, individual product. You can consider as individual product. So what are the products they are selling for that each and every product they want? I want to see the sales, how much it has been generated. Okay, so here I want to see the sales for like subcategory. Okay, so here I will show you. For example, here I'm selecting the multiple columns at the same time. So click on category. Okay, so click category means individual products. Okay, here and I want to know the sum of sales. I'm holding the control button, holding the control and selecting the sales. Means two two columns from the table has been selected, right? One is category, one is sales. Okay, and in the right side you can see show me option. Here you can see pie chart, horizontal bar chart, staggered bars. So these are the general graphs. It is recommended to me. Which will be suitable for that data whatever I had selected. So for example, I'm just selecting the horizontal bar chart, right? Horizontal bar chart. So here I've selected this thing. Okay, horizontal bar chart and these are the products they were selling. Okay, and or else so for example, if I want to create a graph, okay, for example, if I want to create this thing, so I'm just dragging and dropping into the columns table and sales for that. Okay, sales for that. So here you can see if you want to change it. Okay, if you want to change it to from rows to columns and columns to rows, then you can swap here you can see option swap rows and columns. See how it is changing, right? So this is how you can create the sample graph. Okay, this is how you can create just a sample one. Okay, so here data is very less, right? I only have selected only 1,000 rows. Okay, so here I for to go back, data source is there, right? So here I'm selecting the more data, like 5,000 rows. Okay, 5,000 rows. So go to, I'm going to sheet again. Okay, so let's see like the same one. So only these features are there. Okay, only these products are there. Okay, so now so this is how you can create the like sample chart. Okay, by selecting the data. Okay, and even though you can share it more, even though you can add more into the columns or into the rows. Okay, so here I just I'm renaming this sheet name. So double click on it, or like sample chart. Okay, so whenever you change the name over here, so here you can see in the top also it got changed. So similarly, let's add more detail in that. Okay, so here if you want to add the colors. Okay, so for example, categorize. So here I'm just dragging and dropping into the colors table. Okay, so this is how you just select and drag and drop it to the this. Okay, also if you want to change the size of it, if you want to customize the size of it, so here you can see if I'm decreasing the size, that got changing, right? So this is how we can check. Okay, and the label means uh, labeling whenever you keep cursor on this, okay, like it should, or else here you don't know like what is the exact value, the exact sales value it has generated, right? So for that, if you want to show that, so here I'm just dragging and dropping into the sales and to label the box. Okay, label, so that you can see how much actually it was generated. Okay, okay, 7,42,000 like that. Okay, so that's how we can add the label. And yeah, category means like individual products only, right? So these are the individual products, like it is in the rows, furniture, office supplies, and technology. So these are the individual products. I want to recognize like different products, right? So furniture, here I want to represent in different colors, and office supplies, I want to recognize in like that. Okay, so that's why I have given the colors like that. Okay, so to identify them easily. So based on that, you can give the color more colors. Okay. So even though if you want to edit the colors, you can. Okay. So for example, technology, I want to change it. Okay. Click on OK and apply. So it got changed, right? So click on OK. So it got updated, right? So that's how we can check. Okay. So similarly, let's create another. Okay, another chart. Okay. So here you can see either you can add the new chart using here. Okay, new worksheet. Okay, or else here in the bottom you can see three icons. One is the first one is the worksheet, and second one is dashboard, and the third one is story. Okay, so let's create a worksheet. Oh, okay, sheet two. We got sheet two, right? So let's have a like a same bar chart. Okay, so let's see like how we can apply on that. How we can apply the filters on it. Okay, let's see. Let's use the same chart. Okay, so here I'm just dragging and dropping it to the same. Okay, so here we are going to apply like more filters and okay, same chart we got, right? So here we applied colors. Similar one we are going to, right? So colors. Tooltip. So let's have like one more one. A tooltip. Tooltip means So whenever, for example, if I keep cursor on that particular part, okay, if I keep cursor on particular product, so it is showing category and sales, right? So even though if you want to show more, if you want to present it more, then you can add the more content over here. So for that we use the tooltip. Okay, so here already it is there, right? So like product details. Okay, so here I'm adding this here. You can highlight it as well, and you can give the color for it as well. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, if you keep cursor on that, here you can see product. Previously it was not there, right? So now it has been added. So this is how you can use the tooltip. Okay, and moreover, for example, if you select any bar, okay, if you select any product, then you can see option like keep only or exclude. Keep only or exclude means, keep only means only we can see the particular product whatever you have selected. Exclude means if you want to remove that product from the visualization, if you want to remove that particular content from the visualization, then you can click on exclude. So for example, if I click on clip only, then you can see only the data related to that product. Okay, so or else if I click on exclude, then it got deleted from that, right? It got deleted. So see, whenever you are applying the filters on it, then you can see the automatical changes in the filters tab, right? So this is how you can apply the filters. Or else in another way, okay, in another way, so just I'm dragging and dropping into the filters tab. Okay, just click on okay, just sorry. So see here how so so whenever you apply that particular column into the filters, so here you can see what are the column like what how many products that we have. So if I am in a disabling these options, okay, disabling this furniture, or for example I am disabling the office supplies. So if you click on apply, then you can see the change in the visualization, right? So this is how you can do. Okay, so if you click on this also, again you can, okay, it got back, right? So so even though if you want to apply the based on the condition, okay, if you want to apply the filter based on the condition, here you can go to the condition, and you need to select by field, means each and every field will get selected, right? So that's how you can do. And here automatically sales, we are selected sales only, right? Sales and some, right, some of the sales we are selected. If the value is equal to 0 means like you can change it. Okay, you can change it to greater than or less than, like that. If you don't know the, if you don't know the minimum value and the maximum value in those cells, you can click on load here. Okay, then you minimum value is 7,19,000, and maximum value is 8,36,000. So for example, here I'm giving like uh 7,20,000. Okay, for example, I'm giving 7,20,000. Okay, so here I'm clicking on apply. So not equal to, here you can see greater than. Here I didn't apply the condition. Okay, greater than, greater than. If you click on apply, then you can see. So here you can check what are the products that sales has been higher than the 7,22,000. Only that can see. Okay, so this is also you can apply the field. Okay, so here I don't want to, yeah. Okay, so see, okay. So the by using condition also you can apply the filters. Okay, and next thing is like if you want to check the l- top one or least one. Okay, so top one. Okay, here you can see check the enable the option by field. So if you want to see the top, uh, for example, I want to see the top one. Okay, top one, and you can click on apply. So for which project has generated the like highest value, only the technological parts, like these are the products
which are related to technology. Okay, so those products has generated the high sales. Okay, so or else if you want to list means here you can see click on the drop down top button. Okay, so here you can see bottom right list one. Click on apply. So you can see list one is office supplies. These are the list sales that has been generated. Okay, so this is how you can apply the filters. Okay, even though if you want to label the is already we did right, and you can reduce the size as well. And if you have more records over here, if you have more products, then you can see the more better visualization. Okay, only we have here three products only. Okay, that's why it is showing like that. Okay, so this is how you can apply the filters. Okay, by applying these filters. Okay, even though if you want to remove this, okay, edit filter or remove filter. Okay, if you click on edit, then again this prompt will get opened. Okay, so this is how you can use the filters option. Okay, and so here I'm renaming this horizontal bar chart. Okay, and let's create one more graph or visualization. So here, similar the same scenario. I want to know the sum of sales in different regions, in different locations. Okay, I want to know. Okay, so here I'm selecting the country. Okay, in which country? So here you can see recommending that. So I'm just clicking on it. Symbol maps. It is a symbol maps. Okay. So here you can see only United States has been selected. Why? Because it only related to United States related data only. Okay. So if you have like another countries data also, definitely you will get that point over here. Okay. So here I want to uh, add the more details. Okay. Here I'm just dragging and dropping and the state field into the Canva means in that state in that country like in each and every state. Okay, I want to know how much sales has been generated. Okay, so I just dragged and dropped the state into this symbol maps, right? Similarly I want to um, label. Okay, I want to uh, represent the sum of sales which has been generated, right? See how it is looking, right? So in each and every country how it is. So if you want to show the colors on it, okay. So here I'm dragging and dropping. See how it is been changing. So if you observe here, you can see the range here. Side, okay, you can see the means range for which. So thin color it defines the lowest sales value, and thick color it defines the highest sales value, right? So if you want to edit the colors also, you can edit. Okay, you can click on this drop down and click on edit. Then you can see here. So if you want to, okay, if you want to select anything, you can select. Okay. So if you click once click on apply. Okay. Once you click on apply, then you can see the change, right? So it is somewhat better. Okay. Click on OK. See how you can change. Okay. Even though if you want to provide any other, okay, like in label, if you want to also show the profit on it, okay, you can. So if you want to remove that, you can just click on it and you can remove it. Okay. You can remove this like this. Okay. So for example, labeling. For labeling also we do have the customizations. So if you want to label only the min max, okay, only the min max, minimum and maximum. Only the 920 is the minimum and maximum here. maximum sales has been like in the California state, right? So even though if you want to label this one, you can label, and if you want to label the only the selected one, so only the selected one. So for example, if I selected this, only it is showing like that, right? If I selected this, only like that, okay. So this is how you can apply the filters, and if you want to show the label for the highlighted one, okay, only the highlighted one, okay. So that's how you can for all. If you want to show label for all, you can, okay. So that's how you can label it, okay, and this is how you can use the like geographical data, okay. And similarly, like, okay, here I'm renaming this symbol maps, right? Symbol maps. So here I'm going to create a new worksheet. So here also same, you can use the same. For example, if I select the country, then it is showing this maps. Maps is different. Symbol maps is different. Symbol maps, you can see only the symbols are like it is pointing of that particular country. Okay, maps means it is filling the colors with that, right? So here, if you want same that you want to showcase over here, okay. See how it is different from the different previous one. Okay. So if you want to show the profit of it, you can label and profit and region. For example, if I want to show the region, which region is it related west, central, or east, south, like that. Okay, region. So here you can see the profits and negative values as well as in the positive. Positive are the profits and negative are the like, losses. Okay. So this is how you can. Okay. Yeah, it will be available along with it. It will be available in the YouTube. Yes, here this is for awareness purpose. Okay, here I'm showing the like basic things. Okay, like how like you can access the tool and how you can understand the data. Okay, that's all here I'm providing. Okay, so even though you can, if you want to do the more you can do. Okay, so it is just for understanding purpose. Okay, here this is for the maps, right? Maps. Okay, maps. So now let's create like one more advanced one. Okay, let's see how it will be there. So let's here I want to know the profit and discount in different regions. I want to know the profit and discount in the different regions. Okay. When means like within the 2 days it will be available. Okay. Within the 2 days it will be available. Two access slots or not. Means here no need, means here this recording will be available in the COEBD education YouTube channel. Okay, you can refer it over there. Okay, it will be available in that. Okay, COEBD education YouTube channel. It is a free channel only. You can check over there. Okay, so not only this Tableau awareness session, like all the recordings were available in that. Okay, remaining tools also available in that. So here let's create one pie chart. Okay, so for that I want to know the profit as well as discount in different regions. Different regions means like west, north, central, east, south, like that. Okay, so let's select the data. Okay, now so let's see like what it is showing. Region I want to as well as show the profit and discount, right? Profit. Okay, discount as well. Okay, profit and discount. So here it is showing the like pie chart, right? So here I'm just changing the like entire view. Okay, so now you can able to see it clearly. Okay, so here this central one saying the discount as well as profit it is showing, right? How much discount we have given and how much profit it has been generated, right? So even though you can label it the region's name. Okay, and commercials that has been generated in each and every region. Okay, this is how also you can add. Okay, pie chart. Okay, so you can use like this. So for example, here let's apply like more annotations by using this. Okay, so annotations means so for example different regions we do have different managers, you can consider like that. So for that here I want to mention that whatever it may be, for example I'm telling that I'm considering that scenario. Okay, so just right click on any slide. So right click on any slide. Okay, then you can see here annotate. Okay, here you can see annotate and click on point over here, means it is pointing out. So you can give the name like okay. Okay, also you can customize it as well. Okay, see how it is. Okay, so this is how you can give the annotations for it. Okay, and that's all team. And next and if you want to create the dashboard. Okay, so till now we are using the sheets, right? It means these are the reports, these are the reports where we can present only one graph or one visualization. Okay, whereas in the dashboard we can add the number of like multiple reports, multiple sheets like this. Okay, so let's create one dashboard. Here you can see the second option. Okay, click on the dashboard. See now here you can change the size of it. Okay, so width, I'm changing the width of it. See how it is moving. And remain next thing is here you can see two options like tile or floating. Tile means here you can observe here horizontal or vertical content, means if you select this tile option, so in that particular for structured format only the reports will get represented. Okay, if you select floating means wherever you want there you can add. Okay. For example here I'm just I've selected floating. Okay, selected floating, and here I'm just dragging and dropping over here, and symbol maps. Okay, and maps. So till now whatever we had added. So here if you want to remove this you can remove this remaining parts. So this is how you can adjust it in the. So this is how you can add the like a number of graphs over here in the dashboard. Okay, so here all will be displayed at one place. Okay, So here, even though if you want to apply the filter, you can apply. Okay, you can apply the filter as well. Means how to apply the filter means like to provide the like to ensure the interactive dashboard. So for example, here I am applying this, or else I'm using this maps. Okay, I'm using this maps to apply as use as a filter. So here you can see drop down, right? Drop down, click on drop down, and here you can see use as filter option. Use as filter. So click on use as filter. So now the filter has been applied for all the graphs. So for example, here you can see this is the California. For example, if I selected this California, so then you can see change in all remaining graph side. So within the California state, like what are the products there? Okay, like furniture, like how much sales has been generated, and in this California, like what is the sales, and here which region it comes under. Like it is a the region will be the west region, right? And who is the manager for it around like that. Okay, so you can check like that. Okay, for anything. Okay, what comes under it? Okay, so this is how you can. Okay, so that you can apply the filters like that. Okay, so if you go to, so see here array, see now it is normal, right? So for example, if you select a central one, okay, then you can see the central. Okay, if you select west one, yes. If you select the central region, if you select the, so this is how the data will get saved. That this is how you can uh, like create the like interactive dashboards. Okay, so this is all about the dashboard, and remaining uh, story. Okay, so story, here you can see new story, right? Click on new story. So this is also same. So where, like what is the purpose of using this story feature means, so this story which will be used for the presentation purpose. Okay, so wherever the presentation will be there, so presentations, like here you can resize over here. So here you can see like just drag and drop into this. Okay, just drag and drop over here, and same. Okay, so for example, for first in starting I'm adding it as a, like firstly I'm adding as a dashboard, and then dashboard, or else like, okay, so which one it is, like sales report, sales report, and what is like country wise, sales. Okay, so this is how you can okay, this is how you can add this. And if you click on by like region wise sales report. Okay, so so if you want to rename it, you can rename it as well. Superstore report. Okay, so this is how we can. So let's see. Here you can see the top presentation symbol, right? So this presentation symbol. Click on this. Then you go to the dashboard. So here you can see, here you can explain like by using this dashboard, enter like, you know, apply the filters like this. Okay, and while coming to the sales, only the sales report. If you want to explain like this, okay. If you want to uh, like keep only, or you can apply like this, okay? Or if you want to remove this from that, like while explaining, okay, for presentation purpose, it will be more helpful, okay, if you, okay, so you can apply this, okay. So not only maps, you can use the remaining also as a filters, okay. So based on the need, okay, you can use them, okay. So now, so where we can like how to save this, okay, how to save. If you click on file option in the top left corner, if you click on file option, you can see save option. Save option means it will get saved, okay, it's in the local file. And save to public means like public server, okay. Save as means like, and you can rename it. Save to public as means while you are saving to the public while you are saving to the servers, okay, while you are sharing, and also you can rename it, okay. So here I'm clicking on save to public, okay. Then you can see the prompt over here, means it will ask for sign in, okay. So whenever you have the account, then only you can able to create it, okay. Whenever you have the account, then only you can able to create it. If not, you need to have the account, okay. For example, here already I'm having the account. This is the account I have, okay. Okay, okay. See, like it got signed in, and you can give the name over here, like how you want to store, how you want to save in the server, okay. So for example, like here I'm super store sales data and report, okay. So here if you want to click on save, then it got saved, okay. It will taking time to load, okay. Then it automatically um, navigate to the any web browser, okay. See here it was published successfully, okay. So now you can go to your account, okay, that Tableau account. You can directly sign in over here. See here here you can sign in, right, okay. Here you can sign in. Click on sign in, okay. Then you can see your account, okay. So, so here you can see this is your profile, okay. Go to the my profile, and here you can see like whatever you had published till now, okay. So these are the like previously published ones. And I told you in the beginning, please don't use any your please don't your please don't use your organization data or sensitive information. Okay, like anyone can access it. Okay, so here you can see if you click on this, what just now I had uploaded this one, right? So here, if you observe here, these are the charts that we have created, right? So okay, so if you click on this, then you can see. So this is how you can access them like at any time, anywhere. Okay, and if you want to download it, you can also download it. If you want to share it, you can share. Okay, and if you want to edit over here, also you can edit. Okay, so this is how we can use the Tableau tool. Okay, so here you can able to share it. So based on the data, okay, directly Tableau itself, it reads the data. Even though if you upload any kind of file, PDF or any kind of file, automatically it will reads the data, and based on that, it will categorize them. Okay, so that you can able to design.